Hey guys, this is Ryan Blair here at Halo Inc. and today I'm showing you how to set up a screen printed laser cut tackle twill patch that will be sewn on using the embroidery machine. So this is our approved working proof here, and so we've already got the graphic set up to size right here. So we're going to go ahead and copy that, and so what we're doing is we're screen printing white ink onto black tackle twill, which will then be lasered and sewn on. So over here I set up a new document, which is the size of our tackle twill, which is 17.5 by 16, and I gave myself a 1-inch margin going all the way around. So our graphic is going to sit within there. So we're going to go ahead and just paste in our graphic here, and I'm going to move it up into the corner. And what we want to do is we basically want to make a grid of these, but before we do that we're going to go ahead and ungroup it, and we're going to take this black box, which will not be screen printed, only the white would be, and we're going to change the fill to a stroke, and we are going to change that stroke size to 0.01 for the laser, and that's basically going to be our cut line. And then you can see that the white text is still in there, which will be screen printed. So we're going to go ahead and group that with the Control G. Now we're going to go to Effect, and we're going to go to Distort and Transform, and now we're going to create a grid here. So what we're going to do is move it horizontally, and you can see it's starting to move out. So now you can use your scroll wheel to push it further, and we'll give it a decent little distance there, so that way the laser can cut and it's not right on top of itself. So now under Copies, we're going to go ahead and just use your scroll wheel and bump it up till it fits nice. So we can get away with, we'll do 4. Now we will go ahead and hit OK, and we're going to Object, Expand Appearance, and now you can see that it has filled in all of those. Now we want to go ahead and move these down vertically, so we're going to do the same thing, Distort and Transform, Transform, and this time instead of move vertical, we are going to move, whoops, instead of horizontal, we were going to move vertical. And so again, that looks like a nice distance there, and now we could go ahead and bump up our copies, and so that looks pretty decent. So we'll do a 4 by 13, which I believe yields us 52 of these, which is a decent number to hit our 250. So again, we're going to go to Object, Expand Appearance, and we could go ahead and just group those, and we'll do a center. And what we're going to do next is under the farm, we have a templates folder, and this has our laser registration marks. So since the material is black, we're going to go ahead and use the square with the circle inside of it. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and paste that in here, and we're going to find a place on both sides, of the artwork to place it in. So that looks good to me. And what we could do is we're going to make this blue square white. That way it screen prints, because we need the black dot to have the laser register where to cut these. So we're just going to put one on both corners like that.